ಸರ್ ಆ ಸೈಡ್
ಒಂದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್.
I, Pranab R. Gopal, having been nominated as a candidate to fill a seat in the House of the People, do swear in the name of God solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India.
ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟವಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ.